Welcome everyone back to the channel. In today's video we are finishing up all the mechanical work on the Mini. Lovely. In the previous video you might have seen me installing this TP precision charge pipe. What you haven't seen is that I was having an issue with the clearance of the radiator fan. TP provides these compensation plates in order to adjust the whole front end until the required clearance is achieved. In my case, however, I'm running an aftermarket fan, which is actually thicker than the OEM fan. So no matter what I did, the best clearance I could achieve was this, which is too close for comfort. To solve the issue, I have decided to order a slim radiator fan, so let's go to Superlab and pick it up. And just like that, we're here at Superlab to pick up the new fan. Mike is actually having an important phone call and I'm over here taking over his shop. So with the new spalt fan, we are getting the clearance we require to clear the radiator. And of course we're keeping ourselves organized with some foldable plastic boxes. Let's get back to the garage and hopefully next time we're here it will be to get some parts for the S1000. And just like that, we're back to the unit to start the installation. Finally, the moment of truth. I will now connect the radiator, mount the condenser and move on to the next job. Success!
What's funny about that?
And just like that, the whole front end is complete. Next tab on the list is to change the gearbox oil. Next up, the auxiliary belt along with the Alta tensioner stop go back on. One of the last things to do is to replace a fitting on the oil catch tank, bleed the coolant, check the brakes, check the whole car for any loose connectors or any loose bolts, and it should be ready for a test drive. And just like that, everything is back together. I will now fill up the coolant system, check all the connectors and all the bolts that they have been put back together, and hopefully by the end of the night I will start it up. One to go. Time to bleed the coolant and we're good to go. After checking everything, I have connected the battery, and in true mini fashion, once I lock the car, the locks unlock, but the handles do not work, neither of them. On that side, I've managed to open the door. Thank God the boot lid was still open, but I don't know how or why, just doesn't want to operate. I have pulled out the fuel pump fuse in order to crank the engine before starting, so let's go ahead. Promising. Moment of truth. The coolant system has been bled, the fan works perfectly. Once it cools down, I will recheck the coolant level, and in the meantime, I'm going to bolt the wheels back on and get it ready for a test drive. The only thing left is the adjustment of the cooler works gear knob. First and second gears are definitely there. During the test drive I will fine-tune the rest. And finally the doors decided to work, so double win. That's it for today's video. I have taken with me what I might need for the test drive. If everything works out, we're ready for tuning. Once again, thank you so much for supporting the channel. See you next time. Goodbye.